In the past year, I have been able to get multiple high-tier clients as a video editor using Twitter and with people offering me multiple $1,000 worth of projects. The best part was that all these clients were actually inbound leads, which means I did not put absolutely no effort in actually finding these clients. And in this video, I'll be sharing the exact step-by-step plan that I use to get clients myself and make them come to me so that you guys can do the same. But of course, you should exactly know why even I have started focusing on my Twitter to get clients and build my brand in the first place. So before focusing on my Twitter, I was actually struggling to get high quality leads for my business. I was using Fiverr and Upwork to get clients for my work and I was facing a lot of problems. The problem was that I was actually getting constantly low quality leads on Fiverr and Upwork. Clients that were making me compete on price, my income was dependent on these platforms. I had to either buy more connects to make more proposals on Upwork or depend on the ranking of my gig so I can get more sales for my business. And that is why I decided and shifted my focus on actually building my personal brand on Twitter to get clients, as it was easy to scale and you can choose who you want to work with, and as well as you can get high quality clients on Twitter. So now in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 4 key steps, including one bonus tip that I use constantly to get clients using Twitter and grow my personal brand as well. So the first tip that I have used myself to get clients using Twitter is to have a clean and clear personal profile. Make sure to have a clean and professional profile picture to show your face because it helps more in building that trust with your prospects. Avoid using anime or cat pictures as your profile picture, or even maybe pictures like these, and just make sure that you have a clean headshot of yours and you're good to go. Next up, get a clean and professional banner that actually displays what you do, because it will be visually a lot more easier for your prospects to check out what you actually offer, the results which you have provided till now, and as well as check out the people whom you have worked with. It also enhances the experience of your profile and as well as showcase that you are someone who knows what he's doing. Similarly, focus on setting up the bio as well. Showcase the clients which you have actually worked with so that prospects can actually look up to these clients' profiles and check out how you have actually helped them. Now this is something optional, but if you can actually get that blue tick as well for your profile, it does help you a lot. It helps with increasing the reach of your post, as well as the post will be actually displayed on the For You page. It also enhances the look of the brand and it shows that you are someone who is actually credible and serious about his business. Plus it only costs around $10 to $15 a month, so it's not that expensive as well. So now moving on to the next and as well as the second step of the plan, which is to actually build an audience, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. This is something that I have been myself as well struggling a lot at the start of my journey, and the biggest problem which everyone usually faces is actually not getting enough reach or impressions on your posts. But after implementing some strategies which I'll be later mentioning in the video itself, I got some great results as well as got a lot of leads for my services. So the first thing I did was that I actually spent at least 1 to 2 hours daily engaging with people in your niche. So what this actually does is that you get to make a lot of connections, and these connections actually help you get more engagement on your post. People will furthermore comment back on your post as well, which will help in increasing the reach and impressions of your posts as well. And this will actually result in more eyeballs, and these more eyeballs will get you more potential prospects watching your work. And remember that whenever you're actually commenting on someone else's post, don't just actually shower them with compliments. Try to share insights and try to start genuine conversation, as that will help in boosting credibility and authority. Now there's one extra tip which I use to get followers quick and to boost my brand itself as well, and that tip is actually using giveaways. You can provide some kind of a free value as your giveaway. You can see here an example where I have done a giveaway of a sound effects pack that I use, and in return of the assets you can actually ask people to actually follow you so that they can receive the assets, and this will actually help in building your following and your audience at the same time, which will later mean that more people will be looking at your post, and more people looking at your posts means more potential clients. Now the third step, as well as hands down the most important step out of all the steps, which is being consistent and posting regularly. For me, what I did was actually at that time I started to post consistently every day, and what happened that I actually started to see the results after 1 month of being consistent. And that is why it is really important to keep trusting the process, because once you lose that momentum, it is really hard to get back up again. You need to trust the process and you need to be consistent in order to see the results, because yes, initially you will actually not see the results straight away, but you will eventually see it later after you have spent some time on actually building that audience. To be honest, I do not myself actually post video content every day as well, but I sometimes create informative and valuable posts like these so that I can keep up with the consistency. And please definitely don't use AI or ChatGPT to create those generic posts for you, because to be honest guys, that just doesn't work. Instead, write meaningful threads or posts that showcase your work or what you have done for your clients. Create posts that actually people want to read. Even one of my most high paying clients, actually when I was talking to him in a meeting, he mentioned in the call that he wanted to work with me because of the content which I was posting and how consistent I was actually with my content as well. Because the more consistent you are, the more authority you will build. And trust me guys, clients love authority. Now the fourth step that I actually use to get clients using Twitter is posting before and after edits. This one strategy made me the most money, period. It is hands down the best way to showcase your work and the ability that you have. So what you have to do is that you have to put side by side the before version of the video which you have edited as well as the edited version of the video, and try to post around 2 to 3 before and after videos per week, because as you eventually build an audience, more people are going to watch these post, and eventually more people will be asking you for your services. Because the thing with the visual proof is that it actually speaks louder than a sales pitch, because you get to show what you do, not just tell it. And that's how exactly you get to win on Twitter as a video editor. You'll be getting to grow a personal brand as a video editor, get more clients and leads for your business, scale your business as well, and build your audience at the same time. And now it's time for the bonus tip, which I kept for the end. And so if you consistently have been implementing the steps I mentioned in the video, you will be getting people actually asking you for your services, and you'll be getting messages from people who want to actually hire you for video editing purposes. And eventually what happens is that the leads usually ask you for your pricing per project. It can be per long form video, per short form video, or even maybe bulk videos as well. But the problem is that you will actually face answers like these if you reveal your prices on text. And that is why what I recommend you is that to actually get the prospect on call. This is because you can get to know exactly what the client actually needs, what his problem is, and how you can actually provide a solution to them. Because your goal should be to actually become a problem solver and not a service provider. Because if you're just providing a simple service, you will be actually be replaceable and actually be competing your price. But if you're actually a problem solver for that client, you'll be an actual asset for that business. And that's how exactly you get high-tier clients as a video editor and build a trust as well in the meeting. So now if you have found the video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that I can create more videos like this. And yes, do let me know in the comments as well on what topic should I make the video next. And yeah, if you want to check out a detailed video of how you can create animations like I do, so I have created a recent video editing tutorial which has been my best video so far. So thank you guys for that. And yeah, hopefully see you guys soon. Thank you.